Okay, so we are back. I told us that in this class we'll be doing contouring. Contouring means removing the ease we added to our basic bodies. You understand? These basic bodies now, you can use it to create your shirts, your blazers, you understand, free top. With those ease will just give you a little bit allowance. You understand? There's ease in the hip, there's ease here at the waist. You understand? The bust and on the bust, they are not contoured. So but at this point now, if we want to create a bustier, a corset, a fitted dress, maybe wedding dresses and all those closely fitted garments, this will not work for it. We have to contour it, we have to remove those ease. So that is what we are going to be doing in this section now. So we remember that when I was when we were calculating the hip, that I added 3 centimeter. You understand? We are going to be removing the 3 centimeter. We just did our waist tightening and our waist darting, and I added 2.5. We are going to be removing it. This is our under bust. We are going to be imputing the actual measurement of our under bust to get it fitted. This is our bust point. So we are going to be doing all this, and that is what contouring is all about. Okay, so let's get right into it. So here now, remember we added 3 centimeter. We'll be removing the 3 centimeter. Boom. Here we added 2.5. We'll be removing the 2.5. So before we go further, we are going to be doing a calculation, and that is just to tighten our under bust. My under bust is 8 centimeter, and here we are having, this is my under bust. Here, this is my under bust. This here is my under bust. So the measurement here now is 28 minus that here. That is almost 2. You understand? But let me just do it like this so that it doesn't confuse us. 10 here. That is 26.5. Removing that here. Understand? So but my under bust is 88 centimeter. 88 divided by 2 is 22. So we'll be removing 22 from this 26.5 here. 26.5 minus 22 is going to be giving us 4.5. So I will come here now. I will not remove all the 4.5 here. I will remove some here. Smaller part of it here. You understand? So I'll be removing 3.5 here. I'll be removing 1 here. 3.5 plus 1 is look at it, 3.5 here. So I'll connect this to this and this to this. Understand? To form a dart leg now. So see, this to this, this to this. Then I'll be connecting this one to this one. So this one now to this one now. And I'll be connecting this to this. Zoom your camera, please. So this is it now. See what I did. I've connected this to this and this to this. So now I'm going to be connecting this dart leg to, we are not contouring our bust points. You understand? So we are connecting to it. So now you determine what you want. I want a princess dart from the under bust. If it's from here, you can connect from here to here. For me, I want my own to be coming from the under bust, exactly from this my chest line. It can come from here to here. It can come from here to here. You understand? It can come from wherever, but this is where I want mine to come from, to start from. You understand? From here to here. You see now the princess that is being formed. Then I will take this French curve now, and I will curve it to give, because I am not pointed at that area, to give it that bust. You see how it's looking. Let me. Can you see my bustier? Can you see my bustier? Now I can create my blazers. I mean, no, not but my bustier top, my corset, my bustier corset. Even if it's a cup corset that I'm doing, the video is in my this thing. I can come here, create my corset. This now is like, this now can create other things, but this is a basic bustier. Let's just put it that way. Understand? This is my bustier. I've contoured out all the excesses. If I happen to sew this now, it will give me a fitted dress. You understand? To give me a fitted dress. So this is how we create a bustier. Remember, I told us that if we want it, if we want the princess had to start from here, we can root to here. If we want to start from here, we can root to here. But me, I wanted here, so that's why I got to this place. And you see, my princess, that my bustier is okay now. So sorry, that is something I didn't show us in the basic bodies, and that is darting this. This is not my actual size. This is not my actual measurement in my basic, in my shoulder. My shoulder is 14, but here is 16. So I'll be darting it with 2. I'll be darting my shoulder with 2. You understand? I'll be darting my shoulder with 2. You understand? So this is 16 minus 2 will be giving me my 14. Excuse me. So I'll come down by 7 centimeter. Understand? So that when I dart this, to give me my exact shoulder measurements. Sorry, I made a mistake. It would have been included in the basic body. So now, if I want, somebody will say, so how do I remove it? You can add it to this place. You understand? You can just connect it to here when you're doing your princess darts, and cut off this place. You understand? Just connect this to this with a straight line, then you cut off this place. So when you're joining, you join from here to here. You join from here, this leg to this leg. Thank you very much for staying put. Tomorrow we'll be continuing again, but we are going to be extending this to a dress, to see how we use our basic body to form a dress. You understand? Like a dress from our shoulder to our nail. You understand? You see how we use it to form a dress. Thank you.